Let's see how to reposition text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to reposition your text, you'll have two options. First one is simply by selecting your text and dragging it using your mouse. So what that looks like is, for example, let's highlight this paragraph right here and let's hold our left click button on the mouse and let's simply bring that down here, for example. And as you can see, it moved that entire block of text down here. And another method we can use is the cut and paste method. Now highlight the same block of text, click Ctrl X on your keyboard, and that will copy the text. We're removing it here, essentially cutting it. Now click on where you want to place the text and simply paste it or Ctrl V. And you'll see that our text has now been moved. And that is how you reposition text in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.